Right? Going?
I hate the hurricane.
28. Whoa! 50 miles an hour. 55. How's it feel? 71. 80. Are you getting blown around? You want to go in? No, I'm not getting in the hurricane. What was it like being in a hurricane?
Oh my god.
Huh?
It's windy.
Windy?